chasing the wheelie.
Yeah. Sometimes I get so mad, there's no control in me, my thoughts get so bad.
What's up? Welcome back. Back on the run again. I'm out testing the 52 tooth sprocket I picked up from e-bike garage. I think this is going to be the sprocket that we need to run on these stock 21 kilowatt Ultra Bees. It's going to give you a little bit more pep down the bottom, and yeah, just feel like it has a bit more power right where you need it. Perfect for trail riding. On the road, I'll probably still run the 46 tooth sprocket just because I still want that top end speed. But for trails, I think the 52 is going to be bang on. Let's get it. Got a little hill climb here. It's actually not too bad. But to give it a little sprocket a test here. Definitely a bit more twitchier on the throttle with the 52. Still does it with ease. The bumpy one, this one. Watch out for those spiders. You can see that web there? Yeah. Everywhere. Oh, change. Now we're in the loose blue metal. That old back end is sliding around. Here's a little blue metal track. I've been here before on the LBX. It's quite rotted out. No one's been here for a while, but we'll hit it and yeah, we'll see how we go. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, boggy. Oh, missed the corner. All right, take 2. It is so boggy. Let me come out here with the shovel. All right, let's get it. 3, 2, 1, go. Got the bird. Whip by all the bushes. Make the corner and exit. Yeah. Let's go. Now the blue metal back into the red. Red rocks. Kind of cool little section. I want to try and get a wheelie all the way through. I can't wheelie, so there's probably not much chance of that happening. Two wheelies all the way through? Yeah, I don't think I got the talent to wheelie all the way through there, but it still would be cool. Oh well, good enough. Let's continue on. Let's pin it up this section. Oh, wrong side probably. Oh, she's loose on the gravel. At 52 though. That's only in D as well. That's 18 kilowatt. so I don't really use the 21. I find that this is enough for what I do, and now with that 52 sprocket, just complements this this setup even more. Gotta love these forks. Stock, even though they're stock, when you come from an LBX, they're sick. Alright, we'll hit this little line. Dropping. Where does that go? That's as far as I built? No, there's another one here. Whoa, coming in hot. Let's just do 20. Let's put in 21 and see how we go in turbo. Whoa, whoa. Oh yeah, turbo is fun. Where did I come from? Turbo is quick. Thought I was going down then. Oh man, turbo is actually a lot of fun. Here's the e-bike sprocket, 52. It's big, but not too big. It's quality made as well. It's not like that cheap aluminium cast, whatever that is, from AliExpress. It's quality material, and so far this is the second or third ride with it, and it's holding up. All right, just a quick little review on the 52. Like I said, I've had it for a few rides now, and I'm pretty happy with it. It gives me that bottom end in the 18 kilowatt setting as well. So I don't feel the need to use the 21 on those tight trails. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers!